Step 6. In step 6 we have our previous assembly from step 5. In addition, we have the anti-flip motor here with 2 corresponding screws. These are 440 by 1/2. We have the sensor deck top here, item 30 in your schematic, in addition to the look-through GCPS harness assembly, item 33 in your schematic, with its 2 corresponding screws. These are 440 by 1 inch. So let's get started. So for this first step, what we want to do is we want to position the aluminum bar to the magnet in a horizontal fashion, like so. Once we have this in position, we want to grab and pre-position the motor into the hole cutouts presented in the plate. What we want to do is we want to put 2 screws on the top side first, so we can get a secure position to install the other half of the assembly. Pre-thread those like so. What we want to do here now is we want to route the wires. We're going to be using 3 different clamps. We're going to be using this one here, this one, and the third one inside the machine, and we're going to go out the hole cutout on the opposite plate. So we'll go ahead and insert these, bring them towards the back of the hole cutout on the opposite plate, and hook them on the wire harness clamp. Like so. Okay, so we'll continue, and we're going to grab our sensor deck top, and we'll connect the look-through GCPS harness assembly. What we want to do is we want to locate that connection and secure that connection with the wire harness, like so. Once this has been done, we'll go ahead and pre-install our 1-inch screws, and we'll connect them. We want to make sure we route this wire through that hole cutout in here, so we can have all the wires in place and held together by that hole cutout, and we'll install it like so. Make sure to pre-thread them first. Once they're halfway or so, you want to be able to push down on this particular block so we can eliminate that slop that exists in the through holes. Keep that downward pressure, and we're good to go. So now we're going to be routing the final wires. This time we're going to come through here, through this wire clamp, through here. We're going to go downstream to the bottom plate, and we're going to go out through that bottom hole cutout that's also shared through the adapter coil. So we'll continue and route the wires like so. I like to throw them out at the hole cutout first before clamping them into the wire harness. Once that has been secured, we'll flip our machine, and you'll have connector 5 and connector 4 in here. Then we'll have this final connection, and this will go into our previous step from our previous video, into the flex cable spacer infrared transmitter. So we'll make that connection there. And secure that connection there. And this is step 6.